Maganda nga na po.
Number 10. Start na. Pwede na.
Simula ko mga tawag na lambo.
Start na po. Game na po. Last one na yan. Palaro, take it 3. 3. Palaro. 3 points. To them, Dems. To Emil, take it 3. 3. Emil, Derepite. Score, deadlock, all 3. 9 minutes and 30. To palaruan, 18 seconds to shoot.
Hirap mag camera man ah.
Ay, take it 2. Wala. Dito by number Maborang. Dito naman yung rebound. Maborang na naman. Wala pa rin. On 3. So Allen. Allen bumangga. 2 points. Allen Cristino. 5-2. Take it 2. Concepcion. Wala. Rebound by hindi matawaran. Pass to Derepite sa ilalim. Derepite. Pinilit. Wala. Rebound ni Concepcion. 5-3. Saberov. DC. Steal by Derepite. Napunta na si Derepite. Lumipad. 2 points. Again Derepite. 7-3. Javier. Ay, nasi-Justin pala. To number 2, 18 seconds to shoot. Steven, sa kanya pa rin, Steven pa rin, block kay Allen. Rebound by Matawaran, nauna na si Derepite sa ilalim. 2 points, again Derepite. 9-3. 7 minutes and 53 seconds. Javier take it 3. Wala. Out of bounds. Wala na. Team C. 7 minutes and 34. 20 seconds shot clock. 9-3. Paso. Number 16. Pass to Derepite. To Allen. 12 seconds shoot. Allen take it 2. Wala. Rebound by. Nakakuha ni Almasan. 2 points. Jager, Tumatawaran. 11-3. Steal by Almasan. Almasan, all alone, lumipad. Wala. Rebound, steal niya. Wala na. Hindi. Score, 11-3. 7 minutes exactly. 20 second shot. Take it 2. Wala. Rebound by Javier. Sa ilalim. 2 points. Javier. 11-5. Steal by number 02. 6 minutes and 40. Take it 2. 2 points. Without 2. 11-7. Out of bounds. Wala na. 50. Score. 11-7. Ito palaro sa Javier. Javier. Steal by Almasan na naman. Ito paso. Steal by number 22. 6 minutes and 10 seconds. Steal by Allen. Ito paso, take it 3. Wala. Rebound by Derepite. Take it 2. Wow. 5 minutes and 56 seconds. Seconds to shoot. Tumatawaran tingin 3. Wala. Rebound ni Almasan. Block by Maborang. Steal by Tumatawaran. Pass to Allen. Allen making his move. Allen. 2 points. Allen Cristino. 13-7. 2 points. Then, Tumatawaran. 15-7. Para pasada pero nakuha pa rin yung palaruan sa ilalim. Take it 2 points, number 6. Last possession before change, 15-9. Castro to Allen. Allen, making it smooth. Take it 2. Wala. Rebound by number 6. Last possession na yan before change. Last possession before change. 4 minutes and 50. Steven, take it 3. Wala. Rebound by. Rebound by number 16. 16. Castro, steal by number Javier. Javier, block by Allen. Pero sa kanya pa rin. Block pa rin ni Allen. Change yan, change siya pala, change. Change na bro. 4 minutes and 22. 4 minutes and 22. Shout out kay Vince, the fracture man. Punta pa rin ang idol namin. Okay, start. 15-9 in favor of Team C pa rin. Palaruan, take it 3. 3. Palaruan. 15-12. 4 minutes and 9 seconds. To Allen, sa gitna, Allen. Wala, rebound right. Wala na, 50. 3 minutes and 58 seconds. Score, 15-12. In favor pa rin ng Team C. 19 seconds to shoot. Wala mo, by palaruan, pero may palaruan pa rin, wala pa rin. Rebound by Allen. Allen. To Biel. Biel, sa ilalim. 2 points. Biel Terabite. 17-12. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. So number 6 tumira, wala. Rebound na naman ni Pau. Pau by Allen Iskino. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Lapas na po. Last hold na po yan. Good ball. 15 seconds to shoot. Palaruan. Pass to number 6. Take it 2. Wala. Rebound by Allen. Nauna na si Biel. Lumipad. 2 points. Biel Dermite. 19-12. 3 minutes exactly. 19-12 in favor of Team C. Steven, take it 3. Wala. Rebound by number 16. 16. Still nakuha ni Almasan sa ilalim. Wala. Rebound by Steven. Steven, kompleto kaya? Kanino bola? Bola na Team 50. 2 minutes and 25 seconds. 19-12. Palaruan. So number 2, taking 3. Wala. Rebound by number 6, Javier. Javier pa rin. Still by number 16. 16. Side step. Huli ni Palaruan. 2 minutes and 14 seconds. Steven, sumagasa. Wala. Nakakuha ni Allen. 2 minutes and 5 seconds. Allen. Wala. Nakakuha ni Palaruan. Last 2 minutes. So Palaruan to Steven sa ilalim. Wala. Pero foul. Foul by game di matawaran. 1 minute and 37 seconds. So Palaruan. Dish to wala. Rebound ni Javier. Block by number 16. 10 seconds pero nakuha Almasan. 1 minute and 22. Pass to Delpite. 20 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds to shoot. Turnover. Bola na. Team D. 1 minute and 18 seconds. Score. 19-12. Good ball na yan. Good ball. Number 2. Sumagasa. Lumipad. 2 points. Number 2. Foul. Foul. Not counted. Foul. Exactly 1 minute. So Palaruan. Pass to number 6. 15 seconds to shoot. 6, take it 2. Wala. Rebound ni Tematawaran. Nauna na naman si Biel sa ilalim. 2 points. Biel to repeat it. 21-12. 42 seconds to shoot. Wala. Rebound ni Almasan. 36 seconds. 23 seconds shot ba? Almasan. Almasan. 19 seconds to shoot. 28 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 24 seconds. 10 seconds shot clock. Lumipad. Block by Mabora. 5 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. 15 seconds na lang. Shot clock. 4 seconds na lang. 4 seconds shot clock. 4. Taking 3. Wala. Rebound ni Allen. 10 seconds. Shot clock off. 8 seconds. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Basket.